Choosing the correct wear gauge is critical to ensuring a system performs safely, efficiently, and as expected. Undersized conductors can lead to overheating, excessive voltage drop, and premature equipment failure. LED Lighting Supply developed a simple wire size calculator that provides a solution with a few simple steps. Step 1. Type the load current in amps into the first box on the calculator page. This represents the total critical demand of the system. Step 2. Verify the voltage of the system the wire will be used in. Common options include 120 volts, 208 volts, 240 volts, 277 volts, or 480 volts, depending on the project. Step 3. Measure the length of the cable run from the power source to the load and input the one-way distance in feet of the cable run into the one-way distance section. Step 4. Select the maximum allowable voltage drop percentage. Typical values are 3% for branch circuits. Step 5. Choose the wire material and installation method. Select between copper or aluminum conductors and specify whether the wire will be installed in conduit, raceway, cable, or free air. Lastly, input the ambient temperature in Fahrenheit and press calculate. Higher temperatures reduce a conductor's current carrying capacity, so this ensures accurate sizing. Now, review the calculated results. The calculator will provide the recommended wear gauge along with key performance data such as voltage drop and ampacity, helping confirm the selection meets both performance expectations and code requirements. Thank you for watching and stay in the light.